a Quickizel Mixel. Quickizel Mixel, it makes it quick. They were recently bought out, I believe, either last year or this year. I'm not sure, by Epic Games. And it just creates really quick, what do you call it? Really quick models and stuff like that. And they also have a library too. Like, why did you pick
Yeah.
Quickizel? Really quick. What
So
is it? Quick. It
Quickizel,
has a library, right?
well, it's the textures are amazing. So like
Mega
you
scan.
can you can take a texture of dirt and mix it with rock, and you just have this amazing texture that you can use for the ground, or in my case for the map that we're making.
Now here's the thing about this is one, well, this is free. That's really cool. But we do
Somewhat
have
free.
ways to import it into Blender, right? Oh wait, we mean somewhat free.
Well, there are
Is
some
it what's
there are some things you have to buy if you want more textures.
Oh, okay, okay. But it's not, it's even though it's bought by Epic Games and works much better
Yeah.
in Unreal. It just works better in Unreal. What is like I don't know, I guess we can use it.
Do you want me to open
If
it
even
up
if we
and
bought
show
the extra
you?
stuff, we can use it.
I can open that up and show you
Yeah,
as well.
I'm waiting. If that's set up, totally. Yeah. Go ahead. You should be able to. I'll stop share. All right. Are you sharing your screen, or let's see? You want to stop share?
Not yet. Simple.
Right.
Now it's a heck of a download too, by the way. So, all right. Just for this purpose, we'll just say ground. We'll say, yeah, we'll say ground, I guess. All right. So you can get resolutions all the way up to 8,192 pixels.
Wow.
I kept it at 496. So press OK and watch the magic happen. So you go to layers, you go to add surface layer right here, and let's say we want to add some beach rock. So we wait for it to load. And on the beach rock, oops, on the beach rock, get rid of that. On the beach rock, we want some, let's put some mud. All right. So just check in here, make some sure there's stuff. All right. So let me fix this so I can actually see my screen. Okay. Now we want to say paint layer, I believe. Oh wait, I think your thing's in the way. Oh, there it is. All right, see where it says threshold? Right here?
Yeah.
Yes. Watch this. Do you see what I just did?
Yeah, that's really cool.
So you can overwhelm it. And then on the beach rock, you can add more to that. Go up to the sand and push it. Now.
No wonder they bought them out. Huh.
Here's the cool thing. Say we want some. Let's see, we got for ground. And we'll go for moss. Okay. Now it gets really crazy because now you can bring yourself some moss in there. Look at that.
Wow. Is it gonna mix down like on export? Will this all become one thing?
All one thing. Yep.
Wow. It's pretty cool.
And
Games from
it
Scratch, I
gives
believe,
you-
covered this.
And it gives you normals, displacements, roughness. So you just plug those bad boys into the principal shader in Blender, and that's how you do it.
Well, ideally, you should. We're still having issues figuring this out, but ideally, you should be able to export all those into Godot as well, because Godot has all those. You know, like anything with shaders has all these same, the same workflow. Ideally,
So
although we've had some issues.
let me show you Blender.
All right, so what happened in Blender? Oh, whoa! You stopped sharing.
Okay, hold on. I'm switching over to.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I widened this because the way it was, it was too narrow. So I wanted to give it a little bit more shape. All right. Here we go. Come on. There it is.
Oh, it crashed.
Nope.
Oh, so is this from Quickizel?
Yep.
The texture that you used? Okay. I'm trying. That looks great. I'm not knocking it. That looks beautiful, even though it's a low poly map. So my thing is that we're gonna try to start texturing right in Godot.
Yeah, I
but
saw
this
that.
should
That looks
import in.
awesome. I saw people making.
Well, you know,
those they made that little island. I think you sent it to me. And
yeah, and I'm
God, I want to do that.
it's gonna make our workflow faster for us, but I like this. I'm not knocking it. I just don't know if we can get it into I know if we can get it into Godot, even though the workflow is relatively the same. We've been still having issues with texturing.
If not,
So
I would be willing to go into Godot and just do the terrain, because I would love to learn that. That looked cool. I mean, it was like drop and play, and you just paint over things.
I should put a link to it, or I'll put a video at the end of this to his thing. And the guy seems really cool. He's not close to raising the money he needs to raise. He's not even asking for that much. I don't think. I gotta double check it. But he said, nah, dude. He said, I got one. Everyone who's on the team can use it. He said everyone that's on the team for the project can use it. So I'm like, that's really cool. I mean, I want to be fair to him. I like that he's being super nice, but I want to be fair to him because I don't know if I want to start teaching classes with it.
Yeah.
So I'll talk to maybe about that, because I think that would help out with some of the other stuff we're doing on online courses.
Here's some of the things
would be
I've
to have like
noticed
students use it
with our low poly stuff. When it came to texturing this, got a lot of this, so it has to be smoothed out. Otherwise, it's gonna look like garbage.
Well, and so this is, I mean, that's the thing. Like, I think this is where we're going to end the video, and at least in our thought process is that I like the stuff. I like the workflow that we have here. But if we can't really use it right easily, it might cause us more work. However, if we figure out how to integrate all this stuff, it goes to be really cool. Right now, I guess we're going to lean towards using those other Godot tools to actually do in modeling, maybe, or at least in texturing.
I could learn
and make a pretty
that. I just don't know the code. You know, I'm sure you don't need coding just to do the painting stuff.
No. And so, this is my bias leaning still. Like, yeah, I like the idea that you can do more in Godot, but specialization also works, right? We've got Blender for a reason. So we might as well use Blender for what I see a lot is a lot faster. My bias is because I've been studying Blender more and all the tools are new in Godot, but I don't think the speed is still there. All right, I'm going to end it right here for the video. If you like this, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, leave comments below. Make